Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I thought I'd just turn on the camera. I'm just trying out something. So I wanted to do like a, I don't know, it's like a sausage pesto cauliflower concoction. Basically I thought, I have some pesto and I've got some sausages, I've got some cream cheese, and I thought maybe if I put that all together, it'll make like a nice creamy tomatoey sauce to go with my sausages that are now cut them up into bite-sized, like cook them and then cut them up into bite-sized pieces. And then I was thinking maybe I could just throw a bag of cauliflower with it. I was thinking cauliflower mash, but then I was like, oh, I have this frozen bag of cauliflower rice, so if I just throw that in and cook it, it'd kind of all meld together. So I'm going to try it. It may not work. I will tell you what it's like at the end of the video. But yeah, I'm going to try that for dinner tonight. So yeah, first I'm just going to cook up my sausages and then I'm going to chop them up. I'm going to take my cream cheese out of the fridge so it tries to soften a little bit. And yeah, so I'm going to get onto my sausages first. So if you want to stick around and see how my sausage pesto concoction turns out, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I've got my sausages. They're almost done. They'll still be a little bit pink in the middle, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to move them just out of the way a little bit, so they're still going to cook. There's a little bit of fat in there, but I'm just going to leave that in there. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my block of cream cheese. So I've just got, it's 250 grams of cream cheese. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the pan with my pesto. So I have used a couple of tablespoons out of this pesto. The macros aren't too bad, so being pesto, like it's tomato, so tomatoes still have carbs and sugar. But yeah, I'm going to use this little jar of pesto to put in the fry pan. I'm just going to put these in and try and mix them together while the sausage is in that little space here. So I'll see how I go. Okay, so here we go. I've got my mixture of the cream cheese and the pesto. So yeah, if you can, mix it before you put it in there, because it didn't like, the cream cheese did not like the hot pan. So yeah, if you can, mix it beforehand, otherwise it starts to spatter everywhere. But yeah, so there is the sauce. So I may need to add some cream to thin it out, but I'm just going to go with that so far. So I have cut up my sausages and now I'm just going to mix it all together. I'll just try and combine the sausages in with the sauce. So I probably would next time maybe get some of that fat out, because it's, you know how fat doesn't really mix well with cream sometimes. But yeah, so I'm just going to mix this together and then I'm going to add the cauliflower, which will be the, if I had the broccoli and cauliflower like florets, I'd probably use that, just so it's still a bit more chunky. But I think I might just, because I've got the cauliflower rice, I might just put that in here. So yeah, I'm going to go and get that and mix that together. Okay, so here is my sausages, my sauce and my cauliflower that I've mixed in. Now it is quite thick at the moment, however the cauliflower rice that I put in was still a little bit frozen, so I do just want to let this cook down until the cauliflower is cooked, and then I'm pretty sure the cauliflower is going to let go some liquid. So I don't want to put any cream in yet until I get the cauliflower, the cauliflower rice cooked. So I'm just going to leave this to kind of simmer for a little bit and see if it loosens up a bit, and I'll give it a taste and see if it needs any more seasonings or anything like that. So let's leave that to sit and we'll come back in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I've just had this simmering for, I don't know, it was about 5-10 minutes. I did have the lid on. This lid does not actually fit this, but I had it on mostly to try and get it, get the the cauliflower to cook a bit. I'm actually thinking I won't add any more cream. I'm actually liking the consistency. So I'm actually thinking I am going to call this creamy pesto sausage and rice, because it kind of reminds me of like a somewhat like a risotto, but it's not really anywhere near a risotto. But yeah, I had a taste and it actually tastes quite nice. I wouldn't add any more salt, because the pesto actually brings quite a lot of salt into it, because it is a tomato pesto. I'm actually thinking I'm kind of liking this. The cauliflower rice isn't too bad. It's kind of got that al dente, because it's frozen cauliflower rice. It's not really the best. If you have the opportunity, use fresh cauliflower and rice it up in a what's it called? The thing that goes around really fast. Not a blender, but yeah, that thing. Yeah, do it in there. It may be a bit nicer texture, but I'm actually really happy with that. Like, I'll freeze these, so I'll have this tonight for dinner, and then I reckon I'll probably get another couple, 2 or 3 meals out of that. So one for tonight, another, so probably about 4 portions all up. So I'll portion that out, and I think that's pretty good for how many ingredients? What we had: sausage, cream cheese, pesto, and a bag of cauliflower rice. So 4 ingredients. Yes, I've broken my nail, and that's actually my nail, so that was quite painful. But back to it. 4 ingredients, dinner, and it really did not take very long at all. It's all just throwing it in a pan and mixing it about. I would definitely try to mix the pesto and the cream cheese together first before putting it in the pan, and let your cream cheese sit out for a while to soften. But yeah, that is my meal tonight. Okay guys, so that is my quick sausage concoction. So I'm going to be calling it, sorry, it's the creamy pesto sausage and rice meal. But yeah, try it out. Just if you have some ingredients that you think might go together, if you like them separately, they're more than likely going to work together. If you just add like a protein and some like ingredients that go with that protein, you really can't go too wrong. It's like bacon. Bacon goes with everything. Maybe not, but you know what I mean. Try things. You never know how you go, and I think I did pretty well with that one. So yeah, if you'd liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you've tried any recipes, or if you've tried your own concoctions and they've worked, or maybe they haven't and they failed, but you modified it a little bit more and it did work. So let me know down below if you have any recipes that you tried and succeeded with. Yeah. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the comments. Bye.